welcome back. Yeah, she gotta change her hair. Y'all know I can't keep her hairstyle for too long. Me and my mama is finna go to the store, get dinner and stuff, and we gonna cook. I literally just got done doing my hair, and as I was doing it, I was curling and stuff for a real video. Yeah, for a real short video, whatever the case may be. Y'all probably see it on my page before y'all even see this video. I'm trying to set y'all up. Hold on. So yeah, that's what's being said. It is currently 3:10 p.m. and today is practically almost over. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This second verse, not for real though. Should I ride in the front seat today? Y'all, I had rode in the front seat with my uncle. Yeah, we finna go. Sorry. But I had rode in the front seat with my uncle, y'all, when I was with him. And, god damn. I was able to ride in the front seat. Hold on, my seat right back.
Why you cut down my radio?
Cause you talking. I'm trying to listen to you.
Hey, fool, like if you spend $30, you gotta pay an extra $10 just for shopping with them. Ain't you know? Why people don't really go to them?
So we're going to Walmart?
My bad.
You fine. I look was good. I had rode in the front seat with Uncle Bo, so I was like, I might as well ride in the front seat. This time I'm jumping back. What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
Disgusting conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first. I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me?
There I go. There I go. It felt good out here today. I can't lie. I don't match. What's up? I got on orange Crocs, black pants, and a pink jacket. And the red hat don't make it no better. But we still eating though. Yeah. Y'all know if I come in Walmart and get some cupcakes. If y'all watch my vlogs, then y'all know. Period. Cupcakes is secure. I got the blue and white ones. Cause what? Mission accomplished.
Oh, I got everything I need. Oh, French fries.
Oh, darn it. We're not going back in there.
No, we're gonna go to Dollar General.
What you need at the Dollar General?
Fries?
Well, not fries.
No.
I want to say $13.97. Now we're at Dollar General because we forgot to get some stuff out of Walmart. Mom said we in here for something to drink, fries. You finna say who that is? Y'all going in the basket and y'all better not move.
Who the fuck going in the bag if they're not moving? You talking to your damn phone, girl? And people think you crazy when they be.
Mind their business.
We ain't get no cheese.
We got cheese at home. A whole bunch of cheese at home. Yep, checker fries.
I'm gonna take this out for you.
You want tater tots? Why do you see tater tots?
Right over there. Don't worry about it.
We're going with Checkers, O'Reilly.
Oh, we gonna have a last night.
All those parts. Oh.
We're gonna have a good day.
Something to drink. Dang, that's heavy. Dang, that's it. Oh, man. We got plastic plates for that stuff on stain the dishes.
No, and you heard me say I'm getting plastic plates. So what are you
Oh, on God I did. Pretty cozy place. Right in the face. Punching in your face because you know I don't like
wood and amber sea salt.
Sea salt? Not no wood and amber?
Ooh, they got the purple one.
See when you like purple.
Ooh.
Yeah, purple gonna do it. Purple gonna do it. Come on. Purple
Glade.
gonna do it.
I think Glade $6.
Glade?
Oh,
$7. This bag is heavy. All the stuff you picked up. Ooh. You got your car in sports?
I think I changed it.
Cause I hear it.
You know this car could go on cruise mode by itself?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
This button up here, I messed it today.
What did you just press?
It stopped. Sometimes when it started, the radio.
Oh, if you don't got your foot
yeah.
on the gas long enough, it'll cut off faster. Cool, luxury. Do it left, do it right, do it left, do it right, do it. They thought I was stupid. Back in the mail, it's gone. Y'all, so right now my mom had to go to the corner store because she didn't get something out of neither of the stores that we went to. So now she in the store looking for whatever she looking for. It is 4:33. Oh, there go my mama, and we waiting on Shy to get out of school so we can go get her from the bus stop. Dang, let the doggone cupcakes marinate a little bit. Golly. I'll tell y'all what all we just got back from the store. We had went to Walmart and Dollar General for tonight. Man, don't come over here making all that.
No,
hold on, wait before you show them, because I'm finna show them. My people. Let me
You don't smell the song, do it.
Yes, I do. Yeah, she already opened them, but we had this, y'all know these, if it focus, these candles. I had to get hamburger meat for dinner tonight, and then we eat fries with that. These are some good fries if they fried correctly. I had to get plastic plates because if y'all know, we eat sloppy joes, and sloppy joe will stain the bowl. So if you don't want your dishes looking like they've been dirty after you clean them because of the stains in it, get some plastic plates when you eat greasy food. Duh. And then we had to get ballpark bread because ballpark bread is the way to go in this baseball season. So you know they fresh. They got drink. I don't drink soda, but they got this one my mama's and no, this one my mama's and this one my two siblings. Gemma, what you doing? You look a mess. And the cupcakes don't stay in the house for an hour, so one is already missing, but we did get cupcakes. Shut up. And my mom wanted me to show y'all all the stuff that go inside spaghetti. I mean, not spaghetti, sloppy joe for some reason. McNearest is the best seasoning. I don't care what nobody talking about. Best seasoning brand. Macaroni, whatever it's called. Yeah. So yeah, I'm finna put dinner on. Then Sha should be calling soon as 4:41. She get the call around 5:30. So by the time the food get done, she'll be calling. She gonna be happy too, knowing dinner done. And yeah, should I make them cook with me? I think I should. Okay, well, I'm finna wash my hands, and I already got the pots on the stove. Ain't nothing in them yet though, but I'm finna wash my hands, and we finna get this started. Y'all can cook with me again. Since J-Mo just looking. Oh, we had got Big some toys from the store too, but one is already ruined because he can't keep nothing for nothing. And he eating the other one right now because he can't keep nothing. Just sad and pitiful. Yeah. Ma, look how he ate that 12. It's all over the floor. Well, there's Biggs. Okay, let's cook dinner now though. So first I'm finna wash my hands and stuff. And like I said, I already got pots on preheating. So yeah, I'm frying fries and cooking sloppy joe if I didn't tell y'all already. And that's what I'm finna do, period. I need to wipe my camera off. I should have brought my ring light. Hamburger meat first. We got ground beef chunk, hamburger meat. Yeah, if I can open it. Yeah, cut this open. Yeah. So, I've been cooking since I was 10, period. Been in the kitchen. Probably even before then, but I know for a fact 10. Been in the kitchen. So we're gonna put all this meat inside of this pan and let it get to frying. My oven already my stove already preheated because I had it on for about 5 minutes while I showed y'all the haul of everything I got from the store. I think I ain't forget nothing. Showing y'all. I think. I wish I could have showed y'all Big's toys before he messed it up. But it was 2 tennis balls. I think them tennis balls. You know the balls with the lines on them, I think. Anyway, yeah. This is not a tutorial how to cook sloppy joe. So Don't be mad if I speed up this process, y'all, because storage is calling my name. Meat out, vegetable oil, and you're gonna put your vegetable oil inside the pan for your fries, and you gotta let it get real hot, So you're gonna go ahead and pour that in there. Dang, I need some more vegetable oil. Ain't none in that one, no more. Pour it in the pan for us some fries. Y'all hear that hamburger meat frying? I really does this, bro. We're gonna wait till it cook, period.
If you see me and you tryna see what's up, he wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid butt. Jewelry on your wrist, fuck it, hold it up. When I holla ski, that bitch pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas at, they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30.
Don't nobody in the house eat chocolate, but really me, they'll eat it if like that's the only cupcake level. But other than that, they're grabbing vanilla. Me personally, I'm gonna grab chocolate every time, cause let's get into it. Period. Why is Big Troy over here? Ooh, icing, of course.
Niggas tryna shoot that shot, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yerky.
So the food is on. As the food cook, I'm finna edit my video because y'all know I record and edit everything. I've been on my grind. I've been posting, consistent. Period. So let's start this. I did a reel on how to do my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch cause I ran off with the shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga kinda fit. You pull up.
I'm at Barley Roof. Yeah, so they retarded too. We on that 42. Jiggy, this a part two. Sam. We had to go get shot, y'all. Oh, that boy in here watching the food for me. I feel ya. Bitch, get your ass out the kitchen. I ate.
Hey y'all, Shabby in the cut.
Girl, we just came back to get shot from the bus stop.
MJG.
MJG, whoever that is.
8 ball, you better know it.
Period, 8.
MJG. Don't try to steal my cheese. I saw it.
Famous, bro. Girl, shut up. Why is this
I saw that, man. She tried to steal my cheese.
No, Mom.
Stevie. And stuff. I need to stop going to sleep at 8 o'clock.
Why?
You should be up at 6.
In my room. Hey, my camera quality look a little butt right now because I ain't wipe my camera off. But y'all, they been smacked. These the melted. Sunshine. Out the shower, y'all. I just got out the shower. And I'm all clean. I took my medicine. I ate. I did all that good stuff, y'all. I'm getting ready to edit this vlog because this is the end of this video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, y'all. Comment some movies or something. If y'all guys made it this far to see the end of this video, comment a movie or something, because I don't be having nothing to watch. A show, it don't matter what it's on. Just let me know. I done watched Baddies West. I done watched, what is it, Baddies Keys 1 on. I done watched that. Yeah. Just give me some other stuff to watch, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to bed now because I'm tired. I'm gonna edit this video until I fall asleep. I want to thank you guys that watched this far. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, Sunshines.
All I really want for Christmas is you.